Hey Avra, this is Mrs. Skoglund just giving you a little bit of feedback on your summer assignment. And so we're going to be looking mostly at Chapter 2, Abundance, Asia, and Automation, this L-directed paragraph, but I'll kind of reference some other things as we're going through it as well. So one thing I would encourage you to do, and I will offer revisions on this assignment, is to come in and really focus on the structure and requirements of a body paragraph. Because I think you have some really good ideas, and I can tell that you read the text, but a lot of the skills I was looking for you to do weren't followed. So I'll give you a couple examples. So for example, I think like you have good examples, especially in this paragraph, like the question asks which jobs are being impacted by, the need for R-directed thinking. And so you talk about computer programming and physicians and lawyers, and that's all great. But one skill that we were looking for you to show is being able to take quotes from the text and embed those. And so I just have a hard time evaluating your evidence when it's not in that format, okay? So just would encourage you to kind of go back and take a look at that. Couple other things I noticed as well. So topic sentence, we want that to kind of start off our paragraph. Yours, I think, does like talk about the question, but I would have liked you to answer it a little more specifically. So like maybe in general, how are the careers being impacted? And then you could go into your specific examples. Also down here, we want to make sure to have a concluding sentence to your paragraph so that it kind of wraps up the paragraph, restates the answer to the question, maybe provides some significance, and lets the reader know that, we're moving on. This is done. Okay, so just kind of some things that I would go back and revise. On conventions as well, again, just kind of had to mark you down because there weren't in-text citations, and just kind of some little proofreading things there. Okay. I thought you did a nice job on your R-directed activities, though, and I liked reading about you going to Mamma Mia at the dinner theater. That's always a really fun time, so I definitely enjoyed reading that. And anyway, just wanted to give you a little feedback on your assignment.